Dear students, research scholars, and faculties of different colleges and universities, in this video we will discuss the biogeographic data. And in the biogeographic data, we will discuss the different headings, concept and definition of biogeographic data, significance of biogeography data, source and of biogeography data. There are the different sources, 7 different sources has been discussed in this video. Then methods of time series analysis, then example of biogeographic data. There are 4 different examples has been given here, and then homework assignment and instruction of homework submission. Before starting this video, I would like to notice you to watch the video minutely for better understanding, so that the end of this video you will be able to answer all the question correctly. Thanks to all of you for subscribing the channel and watching other videos in this channel. Please subscribe the channel if yet not subscribed. Share it to the concerned learner groups. I will eagerly wait for your comments. Don't forget to put a like in this channel. Concept and definition of biogeography data. Biogeography is the study of the distribution of biotic components such as different flora and faunal species and ecosystems in geographic space and through geological time. Organisms and biological communities often vary in a regular fashion along with the geographic gradients of latitude, elevation, isolation, and habitat area. Biogeographic data are the numeric information of a particular biotic components in a species level of a particular habitat area for a definite time period. We say again, the definition is biogeographic data are the numeric information of a particular biotic components in a specific level of a particular habitat area for a definite time period. Significance of biogeography data. Biogeography data are significantly used in the field of research on interaction between ecological factors and human beings. Geographers used to survey and establish the relationship between man and the environment and its spatial variation. In this context, biogeographic data are utmost important to the geographers and natural scientists. Source of biogeography data. Here the different source link has been given here, and all are the open access link. Everyone can access the data by logging in this portal. Here are the 7 different portal has been given. One is BioTime. This is the front page of BioTime portal. You can access global database of biodiversity time series. Here the BIIRS.gov.in National Biodiversity Characterization at Landscape Level. Government of Indian portal. You can easily access the data from here. Here the Living Planet Index.org, you can easily access huge amount of data from this portal. Here is the www.gbif.org, free and open access biodiversity data. Here the Eurostat, the portal Eurostat, front page of the portal Eurostat, you can also access the data from here. And here India Stat, from the portal you can easily access different types of data: agriculture, companies, demographics, economics, education, and so many. Here the migratory birds apps, that is migrbirdapps.fws.gov. You can easily access the different data of biodiversity from this portal also. For your easy access, the link of the 7 website has been given in the description drop down menu of this video. After getting the data, you can easily calculate the time series analysis by moving average method, semi-average method, and least square method. Visit to the YouTube channel QGeo in the playlist 3rd semester. Watch the video. The QGeo is our channel. This channel also, in the playlist 3rd semester, you can find these time series analysis in detail, and there are the different methods. You can easily calculate the biogeographic data by these methods. Here the link of the video has been given in description drop down menu also. Here are the examples of biogeographic data. Here are the few examples. In example, there are 4 examples in biogeographic data for your practice by the time series analysis, where species population value has been given year wise. We should know about the population value before our practice. A population comprises all the individuals of a given species in a specific area or region at a certain time. The value significant is more than that of a number of individuals, because not all individuals are identical. Population value contained genetic variation within themselves and between other populations. The value has been derived by different calculation, such as use the equation to calculate the number of grass plants found in a whole area. The equation is total number of grass plant is equal to number of grass plants found in a sample into total area in square unit meter and sample area in square unit meter or kilometer. Both the unit will be same. Or species population value is equal to 100 into total number of individual species divided by total number of species population. We can easily use this equation for finding the population value, but here the data has been given in population value and year wise. Here is the example 1. geography and ecology, location Maria Island, Marine Reserve Tasmania, country Australia, region Oceania, system Marine, year 1992 to 2001, and population value has been given 96.92 to 11.68 in this manner. Now the taxonomy of this particular species, class Actinopterygii, and other order, family, genus, species, authority, and common name also given here. Common name is most important. Eye-strip surgeonfish. Here the diagram of the particular species. Here the source, and question is, explain the trend of population value of eye-strip surgeonfish by least square method of time series analysis. Also mention the expected value in 2005. Here the data has been given up to 2001, but you have to calculate the expected value 2005 by the time series analysis. By least square method you can easily calculate the y value or OIC value of 2005, and that will be the answer for this question. Here the example 2, geography and ecology. In the same way, Ximen Power Plant, Site 1A, Taiyuan Province of China, region Asia, system Marine. Here the taxonomy also the same as the previous. Here the year 2000 to 2016, and population value has been given 6.25 to 1.5 in this manner. Now this is the diagram or picture of this particular surgeonfish, and here the source. Here the question, explain the trend of population value of eye-strip surgeonfish in Taiyuan province of China by 3 years moving average and least square method of time series analysis. Here the two method has been mentioned. You have to answer this. Also mention the expected value in 2020. Here the data has been given up to the 2016, and you have to answer the expected value of expected population value of this particular species in 2020, and it will be easily calculated by the time series method of least square method. Now the example 3, here the population value has been given from 1980 to 2014. Geography and ecology, here the European countries, some countries here. Here the taxonomy, aves, that is bird, and red pole, the particular bird is red pole. Here the source, the picture of this particular bird is this type, and here the question, explain the trend of population value of red pole birds in specific countries by 4-year moving average and least square method of time series analysis. Also mention the expected value in 2016. Here the data has been given up to 14. You have to calculate 2016. Okay. the example 4, here the geography and ecology of the particular species, gold spotted Grenadier anchovy. This is a particular type of fish, and year 1960 to 1985, the population value has been given here. Here the picture of this particular species fish. Question is, explain the trend of population value of gold spotted Grenadier anchovy in specific countries by 4-year moving average and least square method of time series analysis. Also mention the expected value in 2016. Here the data has been given 1985, but you have to calculate 2016. Okay. In this way, you can calculate the time series analysis to know the trend of a particular species of a particular area. Here is the homework assignment. Answer the question in comment box of the video in YouTube. Mention the years in which population value of gold spotted Grenadier anchovy are more than 2000 in European specified countries given in our videos. Mention the portal name where free and open access of biodiversity data occurrence record is maximum. Discuss in this video and what is the number. And question 3, species population value is equal to 100 into LSI divided by summation of NSI. Is the statement true, false, both true or false, neither true or nor false? You have to answer any one of it, either true or false, or both true or false, or neither true nor false. And answer the question in our website theqgeo.com. Explain the net diversion of forest land by least square method of time series analysis. Also mention the expected value in 2001 to 2002. Here the diversion of forest land in West Bengal since the Enforcement of Forest Conservation Act 1980, year 1981 to 82, here 29.77. In this way, in 1988 to 1989, 18.93. You have to answer what will be the value of net diversion in 2001 to 2002. Okay. Now the instruction of homework submission. Submit the homework assignment in our website theqgeo.com. In contact page, click the button submit your homework and proceed accordingly. Share it to your classmate and concerned student groups. It will be the best help in the pandemic period. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Keep your name with the video by like and comments. Thanks to all of you for subscribing our channel. Thank you and best wishes from QGeo family.